So today we start elimination by equating coefficient. Elimination by equating coefficient in simultaneous linear equation. How you find the value of x and y? This is another method. The method is eliminate x or y. Eliminate x or y by equating the coefficient. Equation 4x plus 6y is equal to 15 and 3x minus 4y is equal to 7. You have to find the value of x and y by eliminate the variable of x or y by equating their coefficient. In this method, you use some suitable number with some suitable number, that's we equate the variable of x or variable of y in both the equation with equal coefficient. Okay. So in this case, we eliminate y because they are in positive and negative term. Opposite terms are there, that's why I eliminate y. Yes, you can eliminate x also, but if you use my trick, then it is easy for you. Always eliminate that coefficient or that variable which are in opposite term. Here this 4x and 3x in similar term, plus 4x and plus 3x, but here it is plus 6x and minus 4y, plus 6y and minus 4. These are in opposite term, so that's why I eliminate this y. Okay, so we multiply this equation number 1, we multiply this equation number 1 by 2. When you multiply the equation number 1 by 2, so it's become 12, and when you multiply this equation number 2 into 3, so it's become 12. Okay, so I eliminate y, that's why I multiply this one into 2, so 6 into 2 12y, and here 3 into 4 12y. So just equating the coefficient of y in both equation in same value. Okay, so what happened? So 2 into 4, you write 8x plus 6y into 2, that is 12y, and 2 into 15, that is 30, and for this is 9x minus 12y is equal to 21. Now you write on adding. If you add, so this plus and this minus is cancelled. So 8x plus 9x is equal to 51. So 17x is equal to 51. Add. So here x is equal to 51 by 17. 17 3 ja 51. So value of x is 3. Now according to your choices, you just put the value of x in any equation, equation number 1 and equation number 2, anyway. So I take 2. So from 2, 3x minus 4y is equal to 7. So 3 into 3, value of x is 3, minus 4y is equal to 7. 3 3 ja 9, 9 go this way. So minus 4y is equal to 7 minus 9. So minus 4y is equal to 2, minus 2. So minus minus cancel. 4y is equal to 2, then y is equal to 2 by 4, that is half. Okay. So that is your x and y. Value of x is 3 and value of y is 1 by 2. Okay. So next question. So this is your equation 1 and this is your equation 2. Again they are in opposite term. To eliminate y, because they are in opposite term, that's why I eliminate y. This is not a rule or process, I using like this, and I also tell you that you also use like this, then it is easy for you. So because they are in opposite term, that's why I eliminate y. If x are in opposite term, then I eliminate x, but here y is in opposite term, that's why I eliminate y. So making their coefficient equal, you have to multiply this one into 7, so 7 3 are 21, and here you multiply 3, so 7 3 are 21. Now 7 into 4, 28x minus 21y is equal to 3 into 7, 77. 11 into 7, 77. Here 3 into 6, 18x plus 21y is equal to 3 into 5, 15. Again here it is plus, here it is plus, here it is plus. Okay, so on adding, minus and plus cancel. So 28 and 18 you add, so that is 46x, and here 77 and 15, that is how much? 92. So x is equal to 92 by 46 cut 2. So value of x is 2. Now putting the value of x in any equation according to your choice. So here I use equation 1. So from 1, 4x minus 3y is equal to 11. So 4 into 2, value of x is 2, minus 3y is equal to 11. So 8 minus 11 here, and minus 3y go this way, so plus 3y. So 8 minus 11 is minus 3 is equal to 3y. So y is equal to minus 1. So that is your required value of x and y. Now this one, in this case both terms 3x, 2x are in positive. Here 4y and 3y also in positive. What do we do? We can make any one of this variable in a minus term. So this time I eliminate x. Just take what I do. You write in equation 1, you multiply this one into 2. So 2 3 are 6, and here you multiply equation 2 by minus 3. Okay. Why I do like this? I want to make this one opposite term, because they are in same term, plus plus, here also plus plus. That's why I want to make one of them in a minus term. Okay. So now 2 into 3, 6x, 2 into 4y, 8y, 2 into 11, 22, and here minus 3 into 2, minus 6x, minus 3 3 ja 9y is equal to minus 24. Now on adding, again I also use always adding term. Okay. So this plus and minus cancel. Here when you add, so you add 8y plus minus 9y is equal to 22 plus minus 24. So what happened? 8 plus minus minus, plus 8 minus 9y, that is minus y. Here 22 minus 24, that is minus 2. So here minus minus cancel, y is equal to 2. Now putting the value of y in any equation. So this time I take equation 2. So from 2 you write from 2. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 8. 2x plus 3 into y value 2 is equal to 8. 2x plus 6 is equal to 8. 2x is equal to 8 minus 6. 2x is equal to 2. X is equal to 1. So value of x is 1 and value of y is 2. So like this I eliminate any one of the variables by equating their coefficient, and I use just opposite term. Okay, then eliminate and find the value of x and y. Here one more question. In this case your y is in same term, plus plus, but x is in minus term. Opposite minus, here plus, here minus, here plus, so opposite. So this time I eliminate x. Okay. Now hope you understand. If there is a positive term or same term, I don't eliminate. Why I eliminate this one, x and x? Because they are in opposite sign. That's why I eliminate this one. So I have to make this 5x by 3 like this. So you have to multiply this one into 5 and here into only 1. So 5 into 5y, 25y by 2, minus 5 into x by 3, 5x by 3, 5 into 8, 40, and here y by 2 plus 5x by 3 is equal to 12. Again minus term plus term cancel, on adding 25y by 2 plus y by 2 is equal to 40 plus 12, 52. Here LCM 2, so 25y plus y is equal to 52, that means 26 by 2. So 26y by 2 is equal to 52. So 26y is equal to 2 into 52. So y is equal to 2 into 52 by 26, 26 2 ja 52. So y is equal to 4. Value of y came, y is equal to 4. Now you put this y in any equation. So this time I use equation 2. So from equation 2 you write it like here, or here I write from 2. So 2 is y by 2 plus 5x by 3 is equal to 12. So in place of y you put 4. So 4 by 2, 5x by 3 is equal to 12. 2 2s are 4. These 2 go this way. So 5x by 3 is equal to 10, because these 2 go this way, to minus. So 12 minus 2 is 10. So 5x by 3 is equal to 10. Then 5x is equal to 3 into 10, and x is equal to 3 into 10 by 5. 5 2s are. So x is equal to 6. So here value of x and y is 6 and 4. Clear? One more question. 2x minus 3y is equal to 3, and 2x by 3 plus 4y is equal to minus half. So this time here, this 3y and plus 4y, they are in opposite term. So I eliminate y. Okay. So equating their coefficient, you have to multiply this equation into 4, and here into multiply into 3. So 4 into 3 12, and 3 into 4 12. So 4 into 2x, 8x minus 12y is equal to 12, and here 2x by 3 into 3, 3 cancels, only 2x is remaining, plus 12y is equal to minus 3 by 2. Again this one cancel, so on adding 8x plus 2x, that is 10x is equal to 12, and plus minus minus 3 by 2. So 10x is equal to LCM 2, here 24 minus 3. So 10x is equal to 21 by 2. So cross 20x is equal to 21. So x is equal to 21 by 20. That is the value of x. Now putting the value of x in where? 1 or 2. So 1 is easy concept, and 2 is some complicated by 2, by 3, some divide concept. So I always use what? A simpler equation. So I put the value of x in equation 1. It is easy. So always check which equation is easy. In that equation you put the value. So from 1, 2x minus 3y is equal to 3. 2 into 21 by 20 minus 3y is equal to 3. Here 2 and 20 cut 10. So 21 by 10 minus 3y is equal to 3. This minus 3y goes this way, plus, and this 3 comes this way, so minus. So 21 by 10 minus 3 is equal to plus 3y. Here LCM 10, 21 minus 30 is equal to 3y. So 21 minus 30, that is minus 9 by 10. So here I write minus 9 by 10 is equal to 3y. So cross 30y is equal to minus 9. So y is equal to minus 9 by 30. So 3 3 ja, 3 10 ja. So y is equal to minus 3 by 10. So this is the value of y, and this is the value of x. So like this, if you use only one concept, then it is easy for you to solve all the equation. Okay, this is not a rule that you use this one. I always prefer you to do like this. Okay, that is my concept. So that is easy for you also. Only one concept, if you clear that where it is an opposite term, then I cancel that variable. And if there is no opposite term, so by multiplying one of them by any minus or negative number, then I make it a opposite term. Okay. One more question. 10% of x plus 20% of y is equal to 24. This is your equation 1. And 3x minus y is equal to 20. This is your equation 2. So one more question. 10% of x plus 20% of y is equal to 24 and 3x minus y is equal to 20. So first you clear your equation 1. You have to make it in a simpler form. So 10% of x is 10 by 100 into x plus 20% of y means 20 by 100 into y is equal to 24. So here 0 0 cut, here 0 0 cut, 2 and 5. So that means this one looking like this: x by 10 plus y by 5 is equal to 24. So this is your equation 1, or make it 1, and this one 3x minus y is equal to 20. This is your second equation. So what do you do? Which one you cancel? Again, this is opposite term, that's why I cancel y. So multiply this y by 1 by 5, then it's make y by 5. So here you multiply 1 and here you multiply 1 by 5. So y into 1 by 5 is y by 5. So the equation is looking like this: x by 10 plus y by 5 is equal to 24, and this one 3x by 5 minus y by 5 is equal to 20 into 1 by 5, that is 4. So 4. Here opposite term cancel, on adding you write x by 10 plus 3x by 5 is equal to 28. All adds. So x by 10 and 3x by 5 is equal to 28. So next I do here. So LCM is how much? LCM is 10 and 5 is 10. So x plus 5 2 ja 6x here is equal to 28. So this one 7x. So 7x by 10 is equal to 28. 7x is equal to 10 into 28 and x is equal to 10 into 28 by 7. 7 4 ja. So x is equal to 40. Clear? Now putting the value of x in any equation, so which equation you use? I use equation this one or this one 2, because this is easy. This one is some complicated, that's why I use equation 2. So here I solve from 2. 3x minus y is equal to 20. In place of x you put 40, so 3 into 40 minus y is equal to 20. 340 ja 120 minus y is equal to 20. Minus y go this way, so minus y go this way, so plus y is equal to 20 here. So 120 minus 20, that is 100. So like this you solve your x and y. Okay.